The best small air fryer that we came across was the Cosori Air Fryer, and this is an excellent choice for people whose kitchens might be a little tight on space, but you still want to enjoy the taste and convenience of what an air fryer can do for you. It has a 3.7 quart capacity, comes complete with an ergonomic angle display to provide better viewing so you don't need to bend over it to make adjustments. It boasts a square basket that provides more cooking space, and the parts are dishwasher safe for convenient cleanup at the end of the meal so you don't have to worry about making a mess and then cleaning up afterwards. It's got 11 presets for foods such as steak, poultry, frozen foods, french fries, among other things, probably a cake setting too, I believe. We found that it cooked food quickly, was easy to clean, and we liked a lot of the program options, and the safety button on the basket to prevent accidental detachment was really cool too. They boast using 85% less fat than traditional deep frying methods, which is a little bit better than a lot of other ones, and they include a 2-year warranty. So if you're looking for the best small air fryer out there, the Cosori Air Fryer is likely going to be a good choice for you.